Yes, we are. Well, ladies and gentlemen, a rare treat here at the Art Gallery. This is a premiere presentation from one of the most outstanding musical artists in the Bitcoin universe, Yumaya Izume. And the name of this particular tune is called Dollar Apocalypse. Take it away.
Deglobalization, cultural unification, decentralization, conscience integration, social emancipation, lose the concept of a nation, Permareforestation, roots of revelation, green civilization, symbiosis and redemption. Use your imagination. This life is your creation. Open sources and no more borders. Clean water, illegal pollution, universal harmony of sound money and unity. A bit of love, a frequency. Build that bass and kick it to the beat. Kick it to the beat. Bom 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 ba ba da bom 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 ba da da bom 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 ba ba da bom 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 bom. Dollar apocalypse around the corner, hyperinflation on the horizon. Babylon crumbles, white swan rises, orange pill healing, solar punk mine, and I am unconfiscatable. Save and non-custodial. Digitally unduplicatable. My values are immutable and uncensorable. Individual sovereignty, P2P from you to me. No more need for currencies. Constitutional liberty. I am time and space, proof of work, sweat and tears, fire and ice, rain, thunder and light, and abundance and peace, independent and free, happiness and hope for tomorrow. I am what I am, not more or less. I am pure energy, heart tender and real, a mathematical singularity. I am the one piece, solving the equation to make digital anarchy a part of this reality. I am everyone who wants to live and dance in an eco-friendly, economical dub sound system. The dark ages are over, a new dawn has begun. Rebirth is a state of mind, and so is having fun. Me say let's come together and do something that matters. We've got the power, not the feds, no the IRS. Love Mother Nature, save the planet, give home to the orphans, free information, make and eat lab meat, be kind and sweet, spread seeds of joy, flowers and trees, just shut up and calculate. Don't trust, just verify. Get rid of your shit, bitch. Stack your sats and be fine. Stack your sats and be safe. Stack your sats and be safe. Bum 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 ba ba da ba ba bum 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 ba 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 bum 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 ba ba da da ba bum 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 bum. Dollar apocalypse around the corner, hyperinflation on the horizon. Babylon crumbles, white swan rises, orange pill healing, solar punk mining. Apocalypse around the corner, hyperinflation on the horizon. Babylon crumbles, white swan rises, orange pill healing, solar punk mining. I am unconfiscatable, safe and non-custodial, digitally unduplicatable. My values are immutable and uncensorable. Individual sovereignty, P2P from you to me. No more need for currencies. Constitutional liberty, individual sovereignty, P2P from you to me. And no more need for currencies. Constitutional liberty.
Very nice. Beautiful.